Dear friends, I myself, Dr. Bharat Parab, discussing some problems on the square and square root topic. Find the square root of each of the following by long division method. There are three numbers, each four-digit number, and we have to find out the square root of this by long division method. So we proceed ahead. So we are trying to find a square root of a four-digit number. Remember four-digit number. Okay, by division method or long division method. It's called successive division method. Okay, so there are other two methods by prime multiplication and by subtracting. Okay, so presently we are trying to find by division method. Okay, so take this number 4489, then drop two lines as usual, horizontal and vertical. Okay, and first step is to mark the numbers, pair numbers, mark them like this, 89 and 44 from right to left. Okay, in two, and take the first pair. Now in this case it's 44. Okay, and see which perfect square lies just less than that, the nearest perfect square. In this case 6 square is 36 and 7 square is 49. Okay, always this number will be maximum 2 digit. So this is very easy to locate where its perfect square less than that is like. See, it is here. 6 square is less than 44, less than 7 square. Very easy. You have to only remember from 1 to 9. Okay, it will be maximum 2 digit number. So take this, 6 square less than 6 into 6 is 36. Okay, then usual method, just subtract it. So you get 8 here, 8, yes, and carry the whole block, whole from the whole pair which you have marked. That is why we have marked it, so that we can take the whole pair, not a single digit. Okay, 889. Now this is a very important step. Okay, you multiply this 6 by 2 and take that multiplication 12. So I have marked in red just to understand. Okay, and now the important step is 6 to 12 and take digit 1 into 1 equal to 121. Keep 12 constant and another digit 2 into 2, 12, 2 into 2. Okay, so like that you have to go. This is another step. So before by adding, don't by add the steps, just try to solve the problems yourself, then you will understand this better manner. Okay, see, 123 into 3. Okay, carry out the multiplication, go on doing this till you reach 889 or cross 889. In this case 889. Okay, see, every time I am increasing one digit, 124 into 4, same digit must be multiplied by. Okay, so 124 into 4, carry out the multiplication. Next will be 125 into 5, very easy. Whoever who has found this method is a very intelligent person. Yes, this is a very nice method to find the square root of any number, any four-digit number. Okay, and we can find it without any problem or without any error. Okay, 125 into 5, carry out the actually 5 into 5 is 5, 25, 625. Okay, 126 into 6. Okay, I am deliberately going very slow because everybody must understand. 6 is 6, 6 into carry over 3, 6 into 2 is 12, 3, 5, then carry over 1, 6 into 1 is 7, 756, yes. 127 into 7, got it? So this is very easy. Try some examples, try to solve by yourself, and you will get acquainted with this method. It's very easy. 7 to 7, 9, 4 carries. 7 2s are 14, 4, 8, 1 carry, and 8. This is your number, 889. If you come to 889 or this number, okay, or you have to cross the number, okay. Then that is given in some other video or some other problem. We will see. Now 127, see 127 into 7 is 889, okay. So you get 0. Now here is why it should be multiplied, 6 should be multiplied by 2. It's given in some other video. If you don't understand, if you are keenly understanding it, write to me in the comment box and I will explain you again, okay. So we will go for the comment. As we get a reminder 0, the given number, see 4489, not 89, huh? This is 0. So 4489 is a perfect square, okay. We are dealing with the original number, okay, is a perfect square. And perfect square of what? Provided this remainder is 0, perfect square of what? 67, okay. See, it's a perfect square of 67. From where you got 67? Just see. Just I will show you. See, it is here. This answer is 67 and 67 into 67 is 4489. Do it and see. Very nice method, okay. So this is how a square root of a 4-digit number is found out by a division method, okay. If it is not a perfect square, then we will see what to do. We have covered this also in some other video, okay, but presently we are dealing only with the perfect square number, okay. This is how the square root of a 4-digit number is found out. Remember that 4-digit, okay, by division method. For 5-digit and 6-digit, okay, the method basically remains same, okay. See, I am going very slowly because everybody should understand this, okay. So basically method remains same. There is a little change or little hinge in this method. I have found it out and given in some other video. If you are keen in studying it, you can refer or write to me in the comment box and I will explain you how this has come, okay. So this is how we have to find out the square root of a 4-digit number, okay. We will see one more example. So here we are trying to solve one more problem and taking one more 4-digit number, 5776 in this case, and trying to find the square root, remember square root of this number by long division method or division method, okay. It's called successive division method also. Only remember that as a division method, okay. And we have given all 6 steps. Now we are trying to follow these steps. Instead of by adding these steps, try some problems yourself and you will be through. Taken 5776, okay, like that, and horizontal and vertical line, and then the bars on the pairs from right to left. 76 on the right hand side, 76 and 57. See this here, okay, marked in red, and consider only 57 and see which square number lies below that exact square number, just near to it. 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, okay. So see, it's 7 square less than 57 less than 8 square. See, I have written there. This will always be a maximum 2-digit number, so it is very easy from 1 to 9 only. If it is 1 digit, then 1 to 3 and 4 to 9, okay. So that makes the problem very easy. See, it is 7, so 7 sevens are 49, okay. Subtract it, you are getting 8, okay. 17 minus 9 is 8, and bring the whole block down. That's why we have made this pair 76. Now the important step, 7 into 2 is 14. Okay, this step is very important. Now see on right hand side, I am taking 14, 1, so 141 into 1, carry out this, it will be 141. Now write 14 as it is, and 2 into 2, okay, 42 into 2, like that you have to increase the digit. Now carry out the reaction, it is this multiplication is 284. Okay, now 14 as it is, 3 into 3, 143 into 3. Every time you increase the digit and multiplication with the same digit. Okay, see this is 3 into, so it is 429, yes. Now 144 into 4, see how I am going. Okay, don't make any mistake here. If you solve problems yourself, you are not going to make any mistake. Okay, 6, then 1, then it is 7, it is 576, it is 576. Okay, then 145 into 5. Okay, so if you try as many problems, then this will be very easy. You can do it in no time actually. So 145 into 5 is 5, carries 2, then 2, then it is 725. Okay, 5 into 1 into 2 is 525. 146 into 6, see how it is going. Okay, 6 6 are 6, is 3 remains, 6 24 is 7, carry 2, and it is 876. Yes, that is your number. You need not go beyond that. Okay, sometimes you may have to go beyond this number in particular cases. Presently, if you are getting it here, no need to go ahead. Okay, so 476 into 6 is 876. Now subtract it. So you get 0 0 0. The moment you get 0 0 0, your problem is solved. Okay, now you can comment it as, or give this statement as I am getting remainder 0. Okay, this what remains is only 0. Then the given number, original number 5776 is a perfect square. Sometimes you arrive at such some examples where it is not 0. We will cover it in some other video if it is not 0. Presently it is 0 and we are trying to find the square root only. Okay, as the remainder is 0, then given number 5776 is a perfect square. Perfect square of what? 76. Okay, from where you got the 76? Just I will show. Okay, of 76. See, it is here. Got it? This answer is 76. So that is the square root of this number. Okay, or you square that number and you will get this number. So square root of 5776 is 76. Got it? Yes. Try one more. Okay. We are trying to solve one more problem and trying to find the root of one more number, 4-digit number, by long division method, or called as only division method, successive division method. Number is 7921. Okay, so you have seen 2, so we proceed in the similar manner. Okay, and try to practice as many examples as we can. Okay, so that you will not get confused at any stage. Now 7921, drop these 2 lines and mark 21 and 79, 2 pairs from right to left, and mark on the top of this. Okay, this 21 and 79. Now see this 79, the left hand pair, and see which square number is lying very near to it and less than this. 8 square. 8 square is 64. 9 square is 81. That is greater than 79. So we have to take 8 square. Okay. This is very simple because you know the squares of 1 to 9 by head. So this should not be any problem. Okay. This step should be very simple. So we are writing it 8 square is less than 79 is less than 9 square. Okay. So I am going deliberately slow just for all of you to understand. Okay. The moment you try to solve some problems yourself, and if you again reopen this video and find it very slow, you are through. Okay. Because this is just to understand. If you get enough practice, you should feel that this is very slow. Okay. So in the beginning, it has to be very slow. Okay, just to understand. The 8 into 8 is 64. So carry out the subtraction and carry the whole block. Subtraction of 15 and carry the whole block 21. Now multiply this 8 by 2. This I am multiplying. You get 16. Now as in previous cases, take the 16, 1 into 1. So 161 into 1. Okay. So it should be 161. Now keep 16 as it is. 16, 2 into 2. That is 162 into 2. Okay. Carry out this multiplication. It is 2 into 4, then 2, 324. Keep 16 only as it is. 163 into 3. Okay. So see the way we are going. Okay. Is 9, then 8, 24. It is 489. 3 into 3 and 1. 164 into 4 is 6, carry 1, then 24, 25, 556, 656. It is 2. Okay. 656. Okay. 165 into 5. Okay. So if you go in order like this, you are not going to make any mistake. Okay. As I said, try to solve as many problems you can. As many problems you can solve, and then you don't have to remember these steps. You just don't have to by heart these steps. Okay, you will do it. 166 into 6. Carry out the multiplication, and enough practice will give you the perfect multiplication number. Okay, 696 and this is 996. Okay, 167 into 7. Okay, so after practice, you did not start from 1. By logic, you can start from in between, but for that you need to have practice, and I know you will do it. This is just to understand. Okay, you will not start from 1, you will start from either 6 or 5 or even beyond that. Okay, so 167 to 7 is 1169. 168 into 8. Okay, so that will be giving you 4, carry 6, then 6 is 4, carry 54 is 45, and 1344. Okay, 169 into 9. Okay, is 9, 9 is 81, 1 carry 8, the 54 in 8 is 62, carry 6. Okay, and the name and this 15, 1521, that is your number, 1521. Okay, so we go ahead. See, this is the number. 169 into 9 is 1521. Subtraction 169 into 9 is 1521. 1521 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 leaves you with 0 or remainder is 0. Then as remainder is 0, you can definitely comment it as that the given number 7921, see remainder is 0. This is because remainder is 0. Okay. Then the given number 7921, the original number is 7921, is a perfect square or is a perfect square of 89 or square root of 7921. Can put the sentence in this way. We are trying to find the square root. Okay, so you can comment it like this: the square root of this number is 89. Okay, see, it is here. From where you got 89? It's here. Okay, the answer is 89. Okay, now the last part, that is answer, is root of 7921 is equal to 89. Okay, answered. Try some more problems on your own. Still, if you face any difficulty, write to me in the comment section and I shall solve it. This is Dr. Bharat Parab helping you in your studies. Thank you. Good luck.